Of course, the villa is the residence of the president of the Federal Republic. Of course, he's our president, and everybody knows my relationship with Mr. President, and of course, the long-term friendship that the president has also enjoyed with the national leader of NNPP, Rabi Musa Kwankwaso. So I do not think it's anything surprising to see me walking here to see the president, to greet him, check on him, and also discuss some national issues that I believe is in the interest of the people of this country.
So it is true you are the campaign.
I do not think it is time for that conversation, but everything it's open and everything it's a possibility. The most important thing is stability of the country, is unity of the country, and I believe that when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
A lot of people wonder, following the comments of the leader of your party, seeing you here, you now begin to wonder, the peacemaking mission, what actually is that when you consider the comments made by the principal?
Both of them are very experienced politicians. The president is a first-class politician. Of course, the national leader of the NNPP is also a thoroughbred politician. And I believe that both of them are committed to the peace, unity, and prosperity of Nigeria. So irrespective of the comments that were made, I do not think that it should be a source of concern that I'm seeing in the villa during this period.
But do you believe Tinubu has delivered for the Lord, or he hasn't, like the way Kwankwaso is saying?
Well, every leader does his best, and it depends on how you want to rate him. You can decide to see the cup half full, or you look at the cup half empty. You can decide to access someone and say you've done well, but there's still much to be done. And there's so many ways that you can do an assessment, but also I believe that everyone is entitled to his opinion, and it can always just contribute to deepening the discourse, and sometimes it might turn out to be a blessing in disguise.
Thank you.